Hey everyone, welcome back to the Network Soldier. I'm Danny, and today we're diving into the world of SharePoint. Whether you're new to Microsoft 365 or just curious about SharePoint, this video will help you get started and understand how this powerful tool can enhance your organization's collaboration and productivity. So let's just jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to navigate to Office 365 and log in. I've already done that, so let's go ahead and go over to the upper left hand corner right here and click on this waffle. Right here you're going to find all your apps. If you don't see it, you can click on more apps, but mine is right here, so I'm going to click right here. And once we get to our SharePoint site, we're going to see on the left hand side everything that we have access to. You can see there's a bunch of just random stuff here. It is a test tenant, so don't worry, I'm not doxing anything. I'm not giving any trade secrets or anything. So I've already created a YouTube SharePoint site. So let me show you exactly how to create a site and get started. So you're gonna go to the upper left hand corner and click on Create Site. Once this opens up, you'll have two options. One option is to create a team site, and one is for a communication site. A team site is for all your projects, your teams, anything where you're going to have a small team that needs to collaborate with one another. The other one is a communication site. It's exactly what it sounds like. It is for you to communicate something to your organization and or team. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and create a team site. We'll click on that. For this video, we're going to go ahead and click on Standard, and we're going to click on Use Template. First thing you're going to do is you're going to name your site. We're going to call this one YouTuberino. I'm pretty sure that's how you would spell that. It's going to make sure that your site is available, and it also it will give you an email address, and it creates a group. If all that stuff is available, you will see that underneath each one of these. And then we're going to go in and click Next if everything is good. Next, we're going to set our privacy settings. We're going to set it to private or public. For this video, we're going to click on private. And for the language, we're going to obviously pick English. We're going to add our members. We're just going to add one, just so you see how it's done. And it's going to apply. Once it applies, then we're going to go ahead and have the option to click Finish. That was pretty quick. In our YouTuberino SharePoint site, this is what you're going to see on your homepage. On the left hand side, you have Home, you have Conversations, you have Documents, you have Notebook, Pages, Site Content, Recycle Bin. In order to upload documents and start collaborating from the jump, you're going to click on these three little dots over here on the right side. You're going to click on Upload. You can click Files or Folders. Right now, I'm not going to upload anything, but that's how you would do it. If you wanted to work within the browser, you have options here to work with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Forms, Visio, and Clipchamp. For this video, we're just going to go ahead and click on Word document, so you see how this works. This is a document. Once you type it, you can see up here in the left-hand corner that it saves your documents automatically. And we're going to click X, and then, oh, where did it go? Maybe we hit refresh. Up, there it is. Now, this will be available to your team to start working on together. So if another person wants to log in and start working side by side on the same document, you can. Excel, it doesn't matter. All of these options are available for you to collaborate with. And there you have it, a quick start guide to SharePoint. If you would like to see any more of the SharePoint stuff, or would you like to see any more Office 365 stuff, tech tips, anything, just let me know. Drop it down below in the comment section, and do all the other YouTube type stuff like subscribe, all that stuff. And I really hope you found this video informative, and I'll see you in the next one.